Connect groups. This is where you can be connected in with a group of people from church to build community and dig deeper in your faith together. So if you're not yet connected in one, we'd love to invite you to come speak to one of the team or have a look on our website and sign up to get connected in one. They usually happen on a Wednesday, but we also have a Monday daytime group, and we have one online, and there'll be a brand new one starting as well. But we would just love to see you connected in so we can dig deeper in community together where there's unity. So get connected in with one.
Guys, the Easter holidays are here, which means all our activities for toddlers, for kids and for youth are all coming on a break for the next 2 weeks, but we'll be back soon, so don't worry. But that means it's 180, it's G-Force, and it's Noah's Ark, Stay and Play, all on a break. So have a good one, and we'll see you when we're back. Vamos a España, amigos! Listen, if you are interested in our Spain mission trip, you need to get your application and deposit in by the 16th of April, okay? And that's not that far away. So if you are interested, and if you haven't yet got a form for that, speak to Dan. He'll send you the form and give you a paper copy if you want one, but they must be in by the 16th of April. So let's get ready for our Spain mission trip, guys.
We've got big news. Strength Will Rise t-shirts are in. Have a look here. See what I did there? Yep, they're going to be here ready for you to order in the foyer after the service today. So we've got £15 for adult t-shirts and £12 for children's, and you have to pay in order to order, okay? None of this like pay later. No, pay it on the door and then you get your t-shirt, okay? It's very exciting. So make sure you go to the foyer, and if you're not booked in for Strength Will Rise, which is our weekend away as church family, then do speak to one of the team if you're interested in a bit more details about that. So go get your t-shirts, guys.
On the promises you said, all that you are is all that I want. This work you have started.
Thrift, shift and uplift, ladies, this one is for you, where we're going to be hanging out on Saturday the 22nd of April in the afternoon, hanging out together just as ladies. We're going to be having some pre-loved clothing sold there. We're going to be having some pampering, spa treatments, all sorts. Ladies, it's for you. So come along. You've just got to register online. I think it's a £1 fee. So have a look online and come along for that, and let us know if you've got any clothes to donate. Do that ASAP, and talk to Sonia if you have any more questions. So we'll see you for that on the 22nd of April. So this week there is prayer and Bible study on Wednesday in the evening from 7:30, and on Saturday this week we've got Next Level happening Saturday morning at 10 o'clock. So make sure you join us for that. And that's all for XL News. So have a great week, guys.